What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. Right now, I'm outside of a little location. I'm supposed to be meeting a guy for some work coming up. I think he want me to fix a gate he got going on, or a fence or something. So I just pulled up now, waiting on the guy in there working. I just wanted to say something that you will always have someone watching you, not helping you, but watching you get to your next level. So that way they can be able to leech off of you or be able to say, hey man, let me help you out on this now since you done made it to this level. So they watching you struggle. And once you get to that level where they feel like you ain't struggling, then they want to reach your hand out to you. Say, hey man, let me help you get to the next level. Nah. One thing for a fact, if you got there by yourself or with a small team, keep that same small team. If you let somebody else in, they need to have the same agenda. But if they don't do that to yourself. You ain't doing them by asking for problems.